Hello everyone, let's now create a mushroom house. Make the borders for all four sides, leaving 1 centimeters or your 1 finger distance, like this. Now take your scale and leave approximately 9 centimeters distance from your border and make a sleeping line. You can join the two dots like this. Leaving 9 centimeter distance from your border. Now we'll start with the drawing our mushroom house. You have to make a curve in the center of your page like this. Leave some distance, approximately like 5 centimeters, sleeping curve, and then again you have to make S curve touching to your line of 9 centimeter like this. Make a curve, oval curve at the top here. To make curve, you have to just make the lines like this first and then close the top part with nice S curve like this. You can say curve line like this. Make the lines very light first, get the proper shape, and then you can make it dark. Then after that we'll make one curve on the top of the mushroom like this. Your mushroom should not touch to your border, you have to see that. Make a circle in the center of that curve for the window of the mushroom. You can make two capital C's to draw a nice proper circle. One more circle we will draw inside it like this, with one straight line and one sleeping line in the center. One curve house will make on the mushroom tree like this. Small house will make. It's a small room, you can say. Okay, like this with a curved top again. Small mushroom, you can say. We are drawing here one small mushroom with a window and the lines in the curve like this. We'll add some circles over here. You can add at least like 4 to 5 curves, small and big, and one more. If you have space, you can add circles also. Same way in the big mushroom also. You can add like 6 to 7 circles. It should be nice big circles so that you can color it nicely. Now we'll create some rocks with the wavy lines on both the sides of the mushroom, and we'll add one staircase, you can say. You can use your scale to draw this. Like this. Width, sleeping line width, you can take at least 3 centimeter, 3 to 4, and you can draw it in the center of your mushroom, and sides will make rocks with a wavy line like this. abstract shape you can add for the rocks. Then we'll add one door. Door you can draw with a U curve like this. One more line we'll draw inside. Same shape we will again draw it inside also like this. For handle you can make normal small circle, and then we'll draw some straight lines like 3 to 4 straight lines on the door. We'll draw one window over here now with a circle like this. Now here I am drawing cross. I am not drawing straight line and sleeping line. Instead of that I am making a cross over here. Let's make some grass now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Sixth one you can put it till the border. Here we will make some bushes. One side will make some bushes. For bushes you will add curves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That's it. Then you can erase the line. Now we'll make a root with a S curve like this from both the sides. Here we will add some wavy line like this. And we'll add some rocks in the between two lines. And we'll add some flowers on both the sides with a small circle, and you can add petals of like 6 to 8 petals you can add for the flower. Make it simple flower. Leaves, nice 2 leaves on both the sides. If you have space for more flowers, you can add one more extra flowers. If you don't have space, let it be just one. Now here we'll add one sun. So make a curve and we'll add sun rays with a different way. We'll make some round curves like this. We'll not make lines, instead of that we'll draw like this. This way we have finished our drawing now. We have started with our black sketch pen outlining. You have to trace your full drawing with your black sketch pen with no double lines. Very slowly, nicely you have to outline. Once you have done with your sketch pen outlining, erase your all extra pencil lines and then you can start with your coloring part. Thank you for watching.